A. Valestro, sir. Our beloved Vice President for Academic Affairs. The question I ask each one of you this day is, what kind of legacy are we willing to leave behind? Let's ask ourselves, and who you do it with? And these are your other members of the family. The people that you are seated together right now are the people that we should enjoy working with. And later, as we raise our glasses in celebration to mark the 69th founding anniversary of the CSEFST, may this celebration bring not only joy and success, but also a renewed sense of purpose for all of us who call CSEFST our home.
And technology seeks to make sure God in every dimension of its institutional life. Education, governance, research, and community service. That is why a unified platform is necessary to serve.
She holds a master's degree in education, a master's degree in nursing from Ateneo de Zamboanga University, and a doctorate in education from Western Mindanao State University. She is also an Australia Awards Fellow and graduate of Multa. Our keynote speaker, Dr. Milabel Enriquez Ho. A warm round of applause, please.
So that means to say, this is a policy that you should look into, providing men and women equal opportunity to shine. So, nung makanila esperaman apply, the Dean of Student Services must be gender fair.
Good evening, everyone. Muy buenas noches a todos. First, congratulations to all of us on the CCNC's Foundation Anniversary Celebration. To our esteemed guests, our Honorable City Mayor, Honorable Kimmer Adan Olaso, sir. The Executive Director of the AACUP, Dr. Mirabel Ho. The Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University President, my former boss, Dr. Nelson Cabral, sir. Our beloved retirees who really found the time to celebrate with us, our administrative officials, faculty, staff, and what a truly remarkable journey it has been. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our members of the Board of Trustees, Honorable Ray Candido. Sir, buenas noches. It is my distinct honor and privilege to stand before you tonight, not just as your college president, but as a proud member of this vibrant community, as we gather for our fellowship night, the grand culmination of our week-long celebration of the 69th founding anniversary of our beloved institution, the Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, an institution that I easily learned to love and nurture and transform. 69 years. Take a moment to consider that number. 69 years of history, development, achievements, and obstacles surmounted. 69 years of influencing people's thoughts, encouraging creativity, and adding to the fabric of the society. This anniversary is a number etched in the palm of our institution's history. It is a testament to the tenacity, foresight, unwavering dedication of everyone who has been ever part of this college, from our founding fathers and mothers to the students, alumni, faculty, staff, retirees who walk these halls today. This week has been a dynamic series of events which aim to reflect our rich legacy, celebrate our current accomplishments, and inspire our future efforts. We've explored our roots, celebrated our accomplishments in academics, research, innovation, and community service, and engage in discussions that will shape our future direction. But now, as we conclude these celebrations, we turn our attention to something equally important, if not more so, in the framework of CSEMST, and that is fellowship. What is the purpose of fellowship? Or why have this fellowship, aside from we pattern it to events we need to follow? This fellowship is the core of any great institution to convene its people. The connections we build, the relationships we foster, and the sense of belongingness we cultivate are the intangible yet strong aspects that sustain and push and transform this place into more than simply a college. It is a family. We are a family. Our 69 years are distinguished by more than just degrees and published research articles. 69 years are distinguished by friendships, forged late night in the libraries, partnership inspired in laboratories, work disagreements in offices, to comply in accreditation and evaluation, assistance provided during difficult times, and shared laughter and memories become lifelong treasures. Each of you in this hall tonight is an important link in the rich fabric of our college history. Everyone is important. Everyone has an equal share, or without you, we cannot function and operate as a family. Do not underestimate yourselves. Your role in the school, most especially to those on the grounds working for the school to look good, is as equally important as my tasks and duties as your college president. Always be reminded that I feel you, I see you, your work and your efforts. I may be silent, but rest assured I really appreciate your contributions, and I mean what I say. Your presence, energy, and commitment are what makes our anniversary truly meaningful, truly making milestones for the community, the nation, and the different industries we are engaging. Pat yourselves because all of you did a very great job. I give my salute to all silent workers in our college. As we reflect on 6 decades and 9 years, we see the faces of numerous people who have dedicated themselves to greatness and to one another, and we offer our honorable compliments. We notice instructors who have gone above and beyond to advise and encourage their students. We observe the employees who guarantee that our daily lives go smoothly. We see generations of students who have studied, grown, and made their mark. As we witness alumni who even after graduation stay connected and contribute to our legacy and the world outside these doors. This fellowship night is a celebration of all of you, recognizing that our collective strength comes from unity. As we approach the next threshold of our college history, the significance of this fellowship grows especially evident. Individuals, genius not suffice to meet the difficulties and opportunities that lie ahead. Group work, collaboration, and a shared sense of purpose will be necessary. Let us take this evening's spirit forward, one of camaraderie, mutual respect, and shared aspiration. Let us continue on the foundations established by those who came before us. Let us encourage one another in our endeavors, celebrate one another's accomplishments, and raise one another up at difficult times. Let tonight's relationships, as well as those created throughout this anniversary week, serves as the seeds of even greater bonds to come. To our faculty and staff, my dear CSE-MST, your dedication is the cornerstone of our mission. Thank you for your tireless work. Thank you for never tiring of working even beyond the call of duty or exigency of service. To our alumni who are here, and one of them is our very own City Mayor, Honorable Kimer Adan Olaso, Mayor, an alumnus who never forgot his alma mater and is very proud of the college. Your success is our success. We are proud of your achievements and grateful for your continued connection. As this event will spread social media, I would like to extend my gratitude to our partners and friends. Your support is invaluable and we look forward to continued collaboration. As we complete our week-long celebration with this fellowship night, may we do so with our hearts full of pride for our past minds, open to the possibilities of the present and prospects ahead, and spirits and unified with our vision of the future. Let us be proud to be daughters and sons of CSE-MST. I am CSE-MST. We are CSE-MST. So toss your glasses.
Thank you so much for the message, sir. This time, we have with us our Vice President for Student Affairs and Academic Services, Mr. Roderick Dintrio, to do the honors of introducing our guest speaker.
Thank you very much, Ma'am, our Director of the Public Information and Communication Office. Muy buenas noches a todos. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
As I was hearing the message of our college president, I just can't hold my emotions, and I got some goosebumps of having realized that my stay in our institution is even more than the years that we exist. But that doesn't mean that I am that old already. Of course, to our alumnus who will be introduced properly later on, sir, muy buenas noches. Our college president, of course, our former vice president and now president of the Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University, Dr. Nelson P. Cabral, sir. Of course, our ever-holy. He is very much proud and honored. Not because he is our city mayor today, but because of what he was, or until now, a ship captain, and even bringing with him every challenges and trainings he have undergone. Because through those trainings, he is what he is now. A strong, a person with conviction, a person who loves his profession, a person who made business of what he is doing for his community, because he climbed in the ladder of political lives. He started as a barangay politician. He moved toward as a city councilor. Yes, you will even see and hear and read. There are things that people would say against him. But mind you, everything what they said didn't make him less as our very own, our alumnus, our graduate, our honorable mayor, Kimir Kaimer Adan Olaso. Sir.
Good evening, Ms. Lucy. To my beloved teacher, our Vice President, Sir Roderick Trillo, thank you so much for that very wonderful introduction. And of course, good evening to each and everyone here. Buenas noches, maayong gabi, assalamualaikum po natin todo. Sorry, been coming a bit late. And a lot of stuff to do at CPO. I was talking with my former teacher also, the president of Zamboanga Peninsula, Sir Nelson Cabral. Sir, layo del Bali pa man akong race ko na mayor. Layo. Life is full of challenging. But anyway, buenas noches otra vez ka natin todo. Greetings to Dr. Roylene Valesco. Good evening to our President, Sir. Buenas noches contigo. Again to Sir Nelson Cabral, to Honorable Ray Candido, our Board of Trustees, former City Councilor, Dr. Alvin C. Reyes, a teacher as well, our Vice President for Admin and Finance, Dr. Myla Pan, Vice President of Research, Extension, and Innovation, Dr. Rachel Oriata, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and of course, Sir Roderick Trillo, Vice President of Student Affairs and ACAD Services. The retirees, Dr. Benjamin Miguel, our teacher, Ms. Sita Julian, Ms. Meng Alejandro, our beloved students, and everyone here tonight. Buenas noches otra vez. Esteemed President of Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology, distinguished faculty members, non-teaching personnel, student, or guests, I offer my warmest greetings. Good evening. Bienvenidos a todos. It's my honor to join you in the celebration for the 69th founding anniversary of our beloved alma mater, Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology. As a proud alumnus, I'm very proud of our school wherever I go. As you remember, when I graduated way back 1999, March 22, after graduation, I immediately boarded the vessel. Serving overseas for 18 long years. I have no plan in joining politics because I was never been a politician. I never studied law. Most likely, I've studied maritime law, but not any civil law. But then, maybe it's really a calling for me to serve Zamboanga City. After my wedding, my marriage in 2015, I don't know what had happened, but I still sailed in 2017. But 2018, I directly altered my course southwardly. Instead of heading back to ship, I went back to my barangay Ayala and served as Barangay Kagawad. When I was Barangay Kagawad, it's full of challenges. As you know, people, they misconstrue you, they look down on you, telling ka ni tabla, pang Kagawad ka lang, pang barangay ka lang. But in my mind and in my heart, naipunese pasa forfeiture. Like a ship, I go to the right direction, to the right course, to the right track. I will just serve my constituent with all of my heart. So from Barangay Kagawad, in 2019, no less than our former city mayor, former Congressman Celso Lobregat, he took me and asked me to join the team all around. Where my actual political career in local government, in city government, started as a city councilor. Fortunately, I won as a city councilor. Then in 2020, when pandemic strikes in our country, Ablayo, the people of Zamboanga really needs the help of the local official. And Ablayo, Aliman Namira, Nabibientes, Sicosa, El de Veraza, y Verdad, Servicio Público. I even risked my life. 2 times yung admit na hospital because of COVID. And my wife was crying, telling me that our kids were still young. We need you to be the father of my kids. And then pwede man solo and you'll go away. But then, sabi ustedes, God is so good. 2 times yung COVID, 2 times namin yung man survive. And the year 2022 election, I was not supposed to run for congressman. I'm supposed to run for a city councilor's bill because I knew. But then, due to a lot of challenges in life, the most painful thing if somebody look down on you and you will tend to challenge back. Just like at sea, when people look down on me, I tend to challenge them back and they will investi, but to be more inspired and work hard to become the man who I am. So sabi ustedes, to cut the long story short, my political career is just a bonus in my life. But my basic career was being a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, being a master mariner, being a ship captain. That is my #1 profession that I'll never forget. Because that profession, I have earned it hardly right at this alma mater, Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology. I studied for 3 years basic course and 1 year apprenticeship. As I get a kapitan, it's not easy. I even teach you before. I was even a part-time teacher. Why I teach? Because I want to help the student. I want to help the poor, especially the needy one. And not only that, in my family's company, my wife's company, we even offer educational assistance, especially to the newly graduate students of CSMST. For those who cannot take their board examinations, we even sponsor board examinations for our graduates. That is why in 2015, 2016, 2017, I was able to produce 15 Master Mariners coming from this alma mater. And most of them now are serving on board foreign going vessel. I just hope one day that our graduates will never forget our alma mater. Always remember, there's no other school, there's no other colleges like ZSCMST. Be proud of our alma mater wherever you go, and always be proud that it's the first time in history that there is a congressman and a city mayor who is a product of your own CSMST. Other than Rusty Kimber Olaso. Rest assured that I'll always be here supporting our alma mater, not only our alma mater, even Zamboanga Peninsula. Because my teacher is still the president there. So I have to support, give the 100% support there. So, since MST, happy 69 years. Congratulations to my colleague, Kuya Mong Simbaon and wife. Thank you for inviting me. Happy 69 years anniversary. May God bless you and guide you along the way. God bless you, everyone.
Education. And also we would like to invite on stage Honorable Kimer Olaso for the presentation.
Night of Second Dogs held on July 3, 2025 at Astoria Royce Convention Center. Given this third day of July 2025 at Astoria Royce Convention